Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. Not much has been going on because we are still stuck in the middle of winter here in Michigan. But and I've not had much time to get down here to the garage to work on any of the vehicles. But we've had a little change in weather. It was almost 50 degrees yesterday, and it's supposed to hit 40 degrees today. So we are going to break out a couple of vehicles, get them fired up, let them run for a little bit, and get them all warmed up, get the fluids moving, help charge up the batteries, and of course, burn off any condensation out of the motor. So that's what we're going to do today here at Green Iron TV. We're going to do a nice little winter warm up on all the vehicles. So thanks for watching. right, we got him out here in the sunshine. Look at this marvelous sun shining, beautiful weather. There's still a bunch of snow on the ground out there, but we got the vehicles out here running, letting them warm up. Of course, they were a little feisty because it's been a while since I had them fired up, so they were a little feisty to get rolling, but nevertheless, we got them all started up and out here in the sunshine, and we'll let them run here for probably about a half hour or so and get nice and warm, burn off all the condensation and get the motors really nice and warm. And also, it's a good chance to let the batteries charge up a little bit and keep them fresh for winter. Of course, this is also a good opportunity here to have them sit here and run with the hoods open. Just give them a good once over, double check, make sure you don't see any leaks or problems. Make sure your hoses are nice and tight. Radiators are starting to get warm. Check the other two here. You notice the idle in the Dodge is running a little high, but yeah, it's probably not too bad for a day like today. The battery was fairly low in the Dodge. Looking good underneath the hoods. So we'll continue to let them sit here and run for a little bit more, get nice and warm, and definitely put some charge back in the batteries. A couple of them were a little on the lower side. Took a little bit to crank over on them. Both the Dodge and the M38A1 were both just a little bit low, but luckily they both touched off and fired up. Alrighty, that'll get the last vehicle in. It is a little slick still out there. Snow is still, pretty thick around here. But, we've had some nice days, and, we're expecting some warm, above freezing days here for the next week. So hopefully that means a lot of the snow is going to be going away, and that means we're one step closer to being able to get the trucks back out and on the road and having some fun with our good green iron. So, like always, I want to thank you guys for following along and watching. I know it's been a quiet winter here. There's been a lot going on, and we've had a ton of snow and cold weather, and there just hasn't been much reason to come down and get in the garage and freeze our butts off. So I do want to thank those of you that have stuck with us and have followed along, and hopefully as the weather starts getting nicer, we'll start being able to put out videos a little more frequently. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way, every time I do post something here on the Green Iron channel, you'll get to know that it's out, and you'll be able to see it and watch it. So please take a moment to do that. And of course, like always, please take a moment, hit the like button, and please leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys. Tell me what you're up to, what your winter project's been, what you got going on. Are you trying to get something finished up for spring? Are you dabbling with something, trying to make it run, get it going? Let us know. We'll see if we can help you out here on Green Iron TV. So, like always, I want to thank you guys and hope you guys have a great day.